reason we need this step is that we need to plate copper inside the hole. The hole wall is a non-metallic surface, and to plate on a non-metallic surface is hard to do. Electroless is a special plating process that can plate on a non-metallic surface, so this is the first stage before we can plate the desired thickness of finished copper. Before we start plating, we make sure to remove any resin smears left from the drilling process using a chemical solution for this. Then we activate the panel's surface, including edges and drilled holes, to enable us to plate onto the non-metallic areas. In the next step, a copper deposit is plated onto the non-metallic and metallic areas of the whole panel, including through the drill holes onto the whole wall. The copper deposit is very thin, around 1 micron thick. This process can be done vertically for multilayer products or horizontally for HDI products. This process, like other chemical processes, depends on precise controls due to its speciality. Plating metal on non-metallic and metallic surfaces. Having this step under control is crucial because without this thin deposit we won't have connections through the holes. We use the backlight test, which is a method to check the deposit. Relying only on microsections is challenging as the thin deposit is hard to measure, and using a probe to measure it risks damaging the deposit.